what's up? Devon Brown here. Today I want to tell you a little story about when things finally clicked for me as far as this whole make money online thing. A lot of you guys know my story. And if you don't know my story, I'll just tell you real quick. I started trying to make money as a home business entrepreneur when I was 21 years old. This is back in like 2000, 2001-ish. And I filed for bankruptcy by the time I was 23. Like, I sucked at making money. And then it took me like 7 years before I was able to actually make money online. Like, I failed and failed and failed and failed and failed. And finally, something clicked for me. What happened was I discovered affiliate marketing. And for those of you guys who don't know, affiliate marketing is just where you sell somebody else's product, right? Somebody else creates the product, somebody else handles the customer support, somebody else sets up all the payment processing stuff, and you just send traffic to that product, and then when a sale is made, you get the check, and you don't have to worry about the headache of owning a product, right? And so it was like 2007, 2008-ish that I discovered, like really discovered and really started to understand affiliate marketing. And so what happened was I created a ClickBank account. This is way back in the day. I created an account on ClickBank. And those of you who guys don't know ClickBank, ClickBank is what they call an affiliate, a platform, an affiliate network. Basically, you can just go find, this is free to join, and you can just go find people's stuff to sell. Like, in any niche you want, you can just go find people's stuff to sell. So somebody else created something, you can send some traffic to it, and they'll cut you a check. Like, awesome sauce, right? Like I said, it's free to join. So I created a ClickBank account, right? And what happened was I had started driving traffic. I was like, oh, here's this really awesome product. And I started driving traffic to this product, and I was making a little bit of money, but I wasn't making a lot of money. But then what happened was I started to understand the importance of list building, and I sent the traffic to a little opt-in page first so that I could capture that person's email. As I sent the traffic to a page that said, hey, are you interested in weight loss? If you are, give me your email. Gross oversimplification, but you get what I'm saying. And so I got the email, right? Say, are you interested in dog training? Yeah, give me your email and I'll send you some dog training stuff. Okay, and so they gave me their email, and now I'm building my list, and then I send them to this ClickBank product, right, on dog training. And what happened was I started making more money long term. Let me explain what I mean by that. Before, what would happen was I would send 100 visitors to this dog training product directly, and I would make one sale, right? But then I switched up the business model. I sent the same 100 visitors to a little opt-in page that said, are you interested in dog training? And then I had like 20 people say, yes, I'm interested. Send me information. And then I sent them to the same dog training product, and I still made one sale. But then the next day, I sent them to, I say, hey, did you go buy this? And the next day, somebody else who didn't buy the first time would buy, right? Does that make sense? Does that make sense, Sarah?
Yes.
Yeah, and so what happened was by me building my list and then sending them to this ClickBank product, I was like, oh, wow, it's not about the product itself, it's about the audience. I started to understand that this was about the audience, and I started focusing on building my list. And so what I did was I ended up building this list, and I ended up finding all of these ClickBank products, and it was really neat. Like, back in the day, I was like, oh, this is a ClickBank product and I would stay in one niche, right? I would say, oh, here's dog training product number 1, and here's dog training product number 2, and here's dog training product number 3. And then I would just drive traffic to this little page that said, hey, interested in dog training, give me your email. And I'd just be collecting people's emails, and then I would tell them about dog training product number 1 for like a week. And instead of making just one sale, right, beforehand where I was just traffic directly to the page, and if they didn't buy, they were just gone. Now I have the ability to follow up. And I followed up for a week, and instead of making one sale, I made 3 sales. And then the next week I was like, hey, check out this other dog training product I found on ClickBank. I didn't say it like that, but that's what I was doing. And then 1 or 2 people would buy that. And then the next week I would say, check out this other dog training product I found on ClickBank. Right? And I might have one person buy that, or maybe nobody bought it. But the point is that what I figured out, the easiest way, in my opinion, to make money was to go create an affiliate account with something like ClickBank, because there's so many product owners who create these amazing products and who spend literally thousands, if not tens of thousands, sometimes even hundreds of thousands of dollars creating these sales funnels that would take you months to create on your own. And you can leverage the creation of their expertise and their creation of these sales funnels and just get the commissions. Right? So when I'm giving people advice to just start out, the first thing I say is, hey, go get an account with ClickBank. Go just create a free affiliate account. Go create a free affiliate account, and you can find stuff to sell. And then what you can do is say, well, what do you love? What niche are you interested in? You say, oh, I'm interested in, helping people lose weight. Okay, great. So now what you can do is you can say there are 100 great products that cost tens of thousands of dollars to create on ClickBank, right? And they're all about losing weight. And now what you can do is you can send traffic to a page, capture somebody's email address yourself, create your own relationship with them, and then send them to these different affiliate products you found on ClickBank and make money that way. And now you don't have to worry about creating. But if you want to create something else yourself later on down the road, right, a year from now or whatever, then you can just create your own product, put it on ClickBank, and then have a bunch of people promoting your stuff, right? That's what I do as well. So I do both, right? But when I'm starting out, I start out selling other people's stuff because it's easier. And I don't have to go through all that headache and rigmarole of creating my own product, which, trust me, is hard. All right? So anywho, I hope that was helpful. I hope that gives you some background on me and on how I started, and I hope that makes sense. Just felt like rambling for a few minutes. So yeah, that's all I got. I flipped my knees, and I snapped my fingers. Have a great day. Share this video if you found it helpful. Bye-bye.